Hey there, GCSE warriors! Feeling a bit confused by polygons and angles? Don't worry, we've got you covered. This video is your ultimate guide to conquering angles and polygons, applicable to Edexcel, AQA, OCR, and most other UK exam boards. Buckle up and get ready to transform from polygon newbie to a total angle master. So, what exactly are polygons? A polygon is a two-dimensional shape with straight sides that are fully closed. The sides must connect at vertices, corners, and the shape should have at least three sides. We've got triangles, squares, pentagons, hexagons, and the list goes on. But here's the key. The number of sides determines the type of polygon. How many sides does a pentagon have? That's right, 5 sides. Not all polygons are created equal. Some, like squares and triangles, have all sides the same length and all angles equal. These superstars are called regular polygons. Irregular polygons, on the other hand, are like the wild ones of the group. Their sides and angles can be all different shapes and sizes, such as this parallelogram. Now that you know your polygon types, let's talk angles. We're not just talking about getting the perfect Instagram angle here. Polygons have 2 types of angles. Interior angles. These are the good guys, chilling inside the shape, formed by 2 sides meeting at a corner. Exterior angles. Think of these as the rebels hanging out on the outside. They're formed by one side of the polygon and the extension of the next side. For many calculations, just remember that an exterior and interior angle sit on a straight line, meaning each pair adds up to 180 degrees. Great job! Now, let's move on to something mind-blowing. There's a magical formula that unlocks the secret of angles in any polygon. Are you ready for it? The sum of the interior angles in a polygon with n sides can be calculated using this formula, 180 n2. Pretty cool, right? Let's break it down. Here is an example for a regular pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides, so we would subtract 2 from 5 to get 3, then multiply that by 180. With this, we get an answer of 540 degrees, the sum of the interior angles. Now it's your turn. Try calculating the sum of the interior angles in this triangle. The answer is 180 degrees. We can also confirm this because we know angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. But why? You're probably wondering why we use the formula 180 n2. Now it's pretty simple. Here is a regular hexagon with 6 sides. If you were to pick a point and draw a line to every other point, you will create 4 triangles. This is where we get the n2 from. The 180 comes from angles in a triangle, which, you guessed it, add up to 180 degrees. Armed with this knowledge, have a go at this. Calculate the sum of interior angles in this hexagon. If you got 640 degrees, you might want to check again because the answer is 720 degrees. There's a shortcut for the sum of exterior angles in any polygon. It's always 360 degrees. No matter how many sides the polygon has, or which exam board you're with, the sum of its exterior angles will always be a full circle rotation. We can find a single interior or exterior angle by simply dividing the sum of angles by the amount of sides. Here is an example with a hexagon. We can see one interior angle is 120 degrees and one exterior angle is 60 degrees. Notice something? They add up to 180 degrees. Remember these key points. Exam boards might use slightly different terms for specific concepts, but the core ideas are the same. Polygons are classified by their sides and angles, regular or irregular. Interior angles are inside the shape. Exterior angles are outside. Use the formula 180 n2 to find the sum of interior angles. The sum of exterior angles in any polygon is 360 degrees. Don't forget to practice what you've learned. We'll have some mixed difficulty practice questions and answer walkthroughs coming your way to solidify these concepts. But for now, smash that like button and subscribe for more GCSE Maths mastery. You've officially leveled up your angles and polygons game. Remember, conquering GCSE Maths is all about practice and the right approach. Keep watching, keep practicing, and those top grades will be yours.